Okay, hello ba. I think kala pau ni em ka hang tu hau kipet kendian. Ngam dan check ta kadau. Pet kala pau ni em. Kala pau notification ni em. Dengan haban penrit yang ka dengan hab ai no tang 15 ngan ai tang khat san mo na mar ka sawa palat. Dia la biang hinga tharai kat tu deh. Kala pau asik. Okay. Hi ba acrylic. Mᴏʀᴇ. Hi. Welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. Welcome to my stream. Welcome everybody. Welcome there. So I'm gonna speak in English more. I will talk in English. Ngan keren ka English mo. There ini iba Michael Penshai Kongstia. Welcome guys. Welcome to my stream. So as you have seen from my content that today I'm gonna take a guild test and wait. Let me go with him first. Oh yeah, thank. Oh, Pak attack nu berapa? Kalapa? Oh, kamu ka voice
Gabiang.
Dia ini smooth iong ban yang lang hapo ka padaki le guild test pen haban le lang tang bapidan la ka jong ka guild dam la ban li pen haban join sya hapo
Inda yang atu gengnya adalah kedengan
There is already in guild sawa pala deh. Jangan pulis lagi comments yung fi ngan comments wa. Oh, love you Dora, love you too brotherless Karsentio, love you too Michael Lentong. Papen Shai Konstiang ada Big King. Oh, baby king. Welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. Welcome to my stream.
I'm the leader of the pack.
If you want to join my guild, then you have to take a guild test. That also 1v2. You have to prepare the room and 1v2. Your choice, okay? If you want to play one tap or you want to play spamming, it's your choice. But from my guild, they will come 2 players and you have to play alone. If you can defeat them, then 4-7 or 4-8, then you can join my guild, okay? So I will give it a team code now. So join. Marway mo. Okay, tangki bamut ban join guild mo. Tangki mau kwa le guild test. Kila ban join. Shim. Itu team code up mo aseng. Up mo smooth. Up sure brother, I am live stream. Presently I'm in stream. So I cannot do anything. Shay to ba Batman and ba smooth. AGF star. Hello, AGF. Hello.
Yes.
So, oh my God, it's full already. So we will play. We have to play guild test today. We have to take guild test. So, will you play 1v2 or 1v4?
1v6.
I can hear properly. What you say?
1v6 I want to play.
1v6, that means you're a hacker.
Yes.
Oh my God, 1v6, like seriously. Now I have to ask some more player because I don't have player. Okay.
See my head.
Okay, wait. First of all, wait. You take my friend request, okay?
Okay. See my head rate.
Wait na. Sabar karo.
1v6. Are you serious, bro?
I think so. He is serious. He want to play 1v6. Okay, let's see. He is a legend. First of all, I have to inspect you because maybe you are in your own guild too. It's just a waste of time now.
Are you hacker or not?
AGF Anuj. Okay. 54 level. I don't think so. You are a hacker. Okay, nice. So you have to create the custom and invite me after you finish. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So go now. Smooth. Hello.
Oi.
Pidan hapo agil no mercy.
Oi, oi.
Namla raman invite the fee.
Angala. Dira remove nga katogil. Agil number kang pi. Agil.
Gil ID to anay.
Ah.
To mo ngadang susna gani gil. To line not arnyo.
Line not arnyo.
Kanday nyo nriu not.
Nyo.
Nriu not.
Not.
Sałvei. Welcome to my stream, all of you Emerald. At okay to up nginila 1v6 ngan hap invite di Emerald. Iba kaniki, i bad mat, ya i smooth, ya i shangdiar, but ya i broken. That will be for my team.
I would take her.
Usnahi maute ngamla bandi ay.
Akar na to try.
Hindi ka na. Up nga na fight.
Ngakar na to.
Nga taray. Te unle freestyle nga taray. Te I don't know how he will play. Okay, abon dala depth na mo. Emerald, it's in my guild, right? Yes, he is in my guild. But Batman, it's not in my guild. What happened? Okay, tangan pulis lagi comments lihat mo. Agenda Prada ini. Hello, welcome. Yo, Young Soul, I'm Kaniki, 111. Hawan kan yala igil test 1v4. Oh my god. Hawan dala dash na. You have to wait till he completed, till he finish. Where is that guy? Oh, online already? I think so. Okay, welcome guys. Welcome. Laja aja itu. Ilaja apa? Ilaja. Oh, itu lah harum. Okay, tawan. Invite me. Okay, I'm solo only.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Gameplay join tayo Legend 1v6. Okay, he's inviting now. Inspect me, brother. Inspect me. 1. Where is that guy? 2, 3. Wait. Okay, wait. Broken Shifatan. Okay. I have advice in my opponent. Wait. First of all, I have to invite 2 more. But my guild member offline already. Okay, 4. With that guy, I think so. It will be 4. Then 2 more. I want advice in my opponent. What does it mean by? Oh, you want only Adam. You didn't tell already. You didn't tell me to. I don't know. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. You have to wait. Okay, let me inspect them. They are dumb today. You have to tell before, Adam all players no skill. You already off the character skill. No, he didn't off. Kill and change, bro. Hello, AGF star. You have to move this bad mat also in the what to say? You have to move here. He want to play. He have to play. He have to play. So Frog Gaming Dora long hingan ran lang lasing long. Hi Dora, new subscriber Miss Tina. Thank you sister. Welcome to my stream. Khasi Gaming, welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. Welcome to my stream. There ngamut ban ong Mᴏʀᴇ. Okay. Kitu laban join na random ro nga try uni ubahay ukwa ka na random. Okay, you can join now if you want. Urum ID day 3740 98357 to room ID sa join kipapoy siya kani kaliyang de baro ken haban iyo kipapoy siya kani ka side em baro ken haban move siya ni kloy word join stat word ngan sa batay fi to word room ID lai nhau sao not kan dai pran lai san nhau 374098357 okay join fast why are you so late and Nick ST hi crush kumnu biang he says sweet kumnu Saturday mo 11 Dora long hi bandrung lang las ngi sa jan em fin haban ayo da fi mot ban rung hapo agil fin haban shim gil test 1v2 plus the 1v2 siya nang da pikwa 1v3 rungan I da pikwa 1v4 rungan I da pikwa 1v5 rungan I da pikwa 1v6 rungan I. All the opponents have to carry only with that Adam character. Invite 6 players, but they use what to say? They are in sorting all the skills. No, you didn't tell too. Before you create the room, you must have tell na so that I will tell them the rules. But you didn't. You didn't tell too. I don't know what to do. Kloy Emerald, aliwon. What happened to ba Emerald? Nasa kick na room nga taray. Kagil test fi broken. Ba don kadi kagil test. Okay, join fast if you want to join a room. Move him to players. Move him to players. Yes, nice. Okay, one more player. Come first. You want to come or not? If you don't want to join, I will invite from my friend list. Okay, now go, brother. Kito ba kwa ban le gil test am yutu lupa nas dang lar fi kwa ban le tambat ki Adam bom dan karakter skill ne fi pila ban off no karakter skill ru ndai la da fi kwa ban don karakter skill tang la dia te ong lupa ya ki player jonga bakin ayo bakin ra tang Adam bat no karakter skill mo. Okay, are you ready? They already equipped it. They already equipped the character skill. If it is like that, then to you better off the character skill, na? Because you play with no character skill, then to you have to off the character skill. Okay, I think so. Everything is perfect. Let me check. He carry with Adam. I didn't see any skill. How can I check the character skill? How can I check the character skill from here? How can I? Tell me, baby. How can I? Start now. You choose now. You are the one who choose to play with 1v6 though. You are the one who choose, not me. Okay, you are the one who choose. Then to you have to play only. Penrem ya Emerald sayo join no. Ha penrem ya ba Emerald bat iba kaniki, ya iba attack bat iba broken. Sawo. Tapi lala penrem kini ki player, then it will be nice. It will be nice. He didn't understand if you speak in that language. Wait. You know now, it is even Adam also you can equip so many skill. So paale kay si Adam ho broken din haban le da Adam. Tikoloy 1v6 sa kadangan puli siya comments. But I play with my old phone 2GB RAM. Then you have to play only 1v2. You don't need to choose 4 players or 6 players. You will play only 1v2. Then la fila la asaw round de kamot player rong ben da fila kay 1v2 ru. Pila ban choose ma fi spray ne ya you. Boring watching, yeah, I know, because I didn't get to read your comments properly. I didn't have extra phone with me, that's why. Okay, now I think so better. Oh! Now he moved that down already because he didn't change to Adam. Okay, no problem. Now let me inspect his movement speed. I think so he's a very good player. It's not 1v6, it's 1v5 na. Kadai mo na yan. Tangsan ko, gini. Tangsaw gini. 1v4, tangsaw. Okay, let me inspect your two guy. All the best. Hello. Welcome to my stream. This movie mo, ala na markidan lang matkibom day Khasi ro taga daw. I need to speak in English. Both English and Khasi. So let's meet to Khandai hajar san spa subscriber dangila mo. Khandai hajar san spa subscriber. If you want 4 round, then I will add him in. Won 4 rounds, there is no chance.
First blood.
Oh my god! Don't mess with our player. They are very dangerous. Basmut, come on, Basmut. AGF star. Don't have a guild AGF. I'm just gilida jong kani. Mano ba Xerox? Mano ba day gilida jong kani AGF? Mani ang alapit na mga lakalit no. There Khasi ro mde na ba nga ay tang gidkan mo Khasi ro kwa join wait nilera Khasi tingin ay wait 1v2 na pikwa ale 1v3 ro an ay 1v3 na pikwa 1v4 ro an ay 1v4 tang basa choose mo 1v1 tingin no ay re mar 1v1 te ki player jungi kim jule 1v1 em kisi movement is not that much bad. Kɣzīsito, I haven't seen his gameplay. This is the first time I see his gameplay. Okay, let's see. Come on, AGF, you can do it. Attack! Shanir! Yeah, one sound good. OMG. Baba. My god, my 5 guys. Peace out. Seriously, he play 1v6 on this. Now he will die. I think he will choose only 1v4. My god, he take 1v6, but now it's only 1v5. Okay, no problem. Bako akan join us. Check the comments kaya mo. Darit pala to voice yung company hair. Thank you. Thank you mo. IDEA. Ito ba yung pinanta? Apangan sa pait biyang kakateng Jufi. Okay, come on Darkside. What are you doing? What happened? La siya kawang na. Si kuli na clear. La pra helmet. Na kamtiat na. No helmet or what? Come on, Batman! Attack! What are you doing? OMG. Oh, wow, what the movement speed! Oh my god!
First blood!
Michelle, good job. Anong yung figure ni Khasi legend o kada yung kill sa katang ba? Namar ka to kala full am namban se banshnas ko way namar kibon giba ko join mo. This Khasi legend also it's my guild, okay? But the only reason why I clicked one is because this guild it's full. There are so many who want to join and I have to create a new one. You can choose if you want to join in Khasi legend or in this wily moron. You can choose. So nice gameplay, sure, nice one. Come on AGF star, come on, you can do it. Try ula ban choose ekiway ki player la dia try ula ban fit ula ban fit ek player jo ngate player fit ni mada kaya de data ula ada try ban fit ngat try anyway let's AGF now he take with 20 and M1887 and with the vertical. Come on brother, you can do it. Oh my shot. problem. He is a mobile player. That also he play 1v6. My God. Come on, Adrian, you can do it. Oh, but so many. They are chasing. What a movement speed, guys. You see his movement speed is very dangerous. Oh, his movement speed is very dangerous. His accuracy also, I think so. If he choose 1v4, then he will won the match. Oh my God. Oh, and don't be like I have not quite. Now you all will die in this.
First blood.
Damn. Wait! My God, what is this? Oh my. Like seriously, did I just see that he give that guy headshot?
Double kill.
It's headshot. He's a very dangerous player. I can say that. Damn. Come on. Michelle, but that 2 legend gone. Now another 3. Come on, you can do it. 1v3. Oh, again that now. He's not a hacker, guys. He's not a hacker. He's not a hacker. Come on, AGF. Come on, you can do it. 1v3. Oi, Emerald. Oi, nice, Emerald. Nice. Kam pentuna ga game sound. Ngala pentuna ga game sound belimpat yo sngau nesis. Kam pen he ka sound jong feed na microphone na ka daw mla le APP. Game sound I'm gonna give only 10. Okay, let's go with that. La yo sound emanta. Kadang red hi ka sound. Kadang red ka sound menta. Bad mat la yo kat no. Dekat ini bad mat ring. Dekat ini bad shell ring pada dekat tasam. So come on AGF star, you can do it. Kini ki player 1v5 1v6 em ki shule kai kum dia mo kim ju rush dia. I will tell you one thing. I feel funny because sometimes when I play 1v2 also I cannot beat them. They are very dangerous. 1v1 kadang-kadang like kai but kill membala dia. Come on AGF, come on you can do it. Ani jai helmet. La lut hashtag. Yes, spray baik player jo biru. Why? Oh my God.
First blood.
Oh my God, Subut, seriously. Damn. Yeah, I will tell you. Maybe he can defeat another players from his guild, maybe his friend, but he cannot defeat my player. They are very dangerous. My players are very dangerous. Especially Khasi players, they are very dangerous. 1v2, then you won't be able to defeat them. Oh my God. The next guild test, who will be the next one? Comments your name, your in-game name. He is a mobile player and he just want to, I don't know why he choose 5 players. Damn, his gameplay. His movement is very cool, I can say that. My movement cannot match his one. But I don't know why. Maybe mistakenly he choose 5 players. If he choose 4 then he will get 1 round. Come on guys. Attack, come on. Malay, you can kill attack. Oh, die. Got only 1. This guy got 3 kills already. Wait. I think so you will die in the game, but you escape.
First blood.
Oh my God. Now they are showing emote. Not bad. Not bad, smooth, not bad. Dahil ba Emerald layo ka no? Emerald way, tentang iba dark side iba yo. Come on dark side. Kawang bait skill. Kawang na iba dark side skill. Ka Emerald la shot. So I'm gonna read the comments again. 1v3, you can choose the player. No problem. You can choose 1v1 or 1v2. Not 1v1, okay. Not 1v1. I'm not ready for 1vs1. You can choose 1v2, 1v3, 1v4, 1v5, 1v6. It's your choice. It's okay. It's okay if you lose also, as long as you can take 4 rounds. If you can win 4 rounds, then you will be able to join in my guild. Now he is hiding. Where are my friends? Where are my legends? He's hiding. He's here. He's here. Oh. Oi! They are coming. Oi, he's here. Oh my god. Poor guys. Poor fellow. They are always, what to say, they are rush player. They are not hide and seek player. That's why. If you play hide and seek, they won't be able to find you. But if you play rush with them, you won't be able to find you because they are always rush. Wait!
First blood.
Oh, nice that side. Nice one. Nice one that side. Wow, amazing. They are showing emote, lol. Oh my god. Mistakenly choose that players, I think so. Dorang aku challenge 1v3M gani kali tanggal guild test nanti bakwa ban join aku guild teh kan hak ban nyele 1v2 1v3 ne kat pa fimot tambah 1v2 plus 1vs2 plus. Now that guy I think so la jelap ngatarai la jelap la try kencing sarong. OMG. Damn. This mood he was using character skill, look. Initial roll character skill down. Okay, not a problem because nowadays Adam character also can be equipped more skills. No problem, I think so.
First blood.
Oh my god. I think so he got one. Damn. Who will get MVP? Mano ini? They ba ayo ini? Bakal MVP, bayo MVP. They ba smooth. Wow, nice gameplay. So, lekum tu. Gini penrong na gini penrong. He got 0. I don't mean to say 0 kill. He got 3 kill, but he got 0 victory. There. 1 minute now, sir. No. We cannot do that anymore.
I'm the leader of the pack.
There, Mano ban ayu. 1 guild test. Next guild test will be Mano ban join. Mano ban join. Okay, piku challenge guild test 1v3. Join the team code mo. Ali. Shim the team code kan? Anyone wanna join? Anyone wanna join in my guild? You have to take a kill test. We have to take you kill test, okay? Mano ba kwa join hapo guild? Ta join na tu ayu. Team code ngalai. Come on, you can do it. Kalau buat hagil ngitang telim dan beri orang menu-menu ngitang dan akan dia OP badu. Hi. You are my guild member only. Badu pide guild member jo ngai te. Badu.
Anda ingat kau guild team teman kan?
Tapi buat mana guild test mentah?
Wow.
There 1v2, 1v3, 1v4, 1v5, 1v6.
Oh, atarang tu bala alam no.
Tapi lala sauron pila yo rum tang sauron pidan kam.
Test.
Tang sauron pidan kam. Tapi lala sauron em pila yo rum tapi rem rum lile tang sauron pidan kam. De bichna no.
Ya ora lekai room lekai primary ngiar ngon.
Oh my damn. Kadai gagil test hable mga arngot mapi marway fi on dora. Leng mga marway mapi arngot. Like seriously? Okay, to badu nilai ngin selek kai nak lasai kata mo but pi te mentang adang sim guild test dang na po stream te mo. Ta see you tomorrow mo. Okay. To ali join. Tangki ba ayu mo tangki ba kwa ban join guild test mo ali. Ali to team code real not. Oh. MC Dowells. Hello brother. Hello. Yes ngau ni em.
Yes ngau hai.
There. Pimot ban le guild test ndai. Tapi le 1v2 na, 1v3, 1v4.
Ya le 1v1.
PS1 ta kada gigil test ngim long ragin hable 1v2.
Ya 1v2 ya.
Okay. Toong pi ngin ya le spray ne ya le one tap.
Spray ben.
Okay, ta. Tas nano kan ki? Shimfra ni nga.
Apa?
Hoy. Shimfra ni nga.
Ap sapet da don room nem don ap pe jam don te le ka de tu ya ka rumah.
Okay, ta okay. Hi, insane. Abshwa. La de join to way guy mentan. Buat ban le kai tu guy mentah. Okay, let me read your comments first of all. Dorang atit super chat si spa si po, but balay pat kariton biang siya. Is there anything wrong with my super chat box? Maybe, I think so. There is something wrong with my super chat box. I think so. I have on the monetization, so what's wrong? Okay.
Hey Dora,
Uy.
kuat seleng gilta.
Emen tatingi padon playa ngi haban le Ayushwa. Palai cakap tok. Mi nomor wa
Nampak
Ayushwa.
live stream, baby. Nampak live stream long baik.
Mi Ayushwa
One video.
mi Ayushwa marway nang ni nomor mut ban le gil test tu way. Mi Ayushwa marway. Mi Ayushwa pi ba NG Roni. Mi Ayushwa pi ba NG Roni kendian kan sa invite fi. Okay, ta join you itu mut ban join. Abshwa mo kini wat join tu way Abshwa da join tu bahai. Ta yele tang kat ki ba job ta tang saurau la yorong. MC dong.
Này.
Fidon room.
Oh yo.
Fidon ka.
Ndor ap di senang ada tu ya kan mah.
Invite yang apa?
Din pai phing lại tu tim ko đấy. Ngawan skur mo hata wan skur mam
Ki sawan daw ni tim good hiki.
Sama.
Lại bên không, lão lại bên không. Không, nguôi. Đây mày.
It's so noisy. It's so noisy. Ngadang pidai ang syung anak puli mo. Pentit lang yang ngaru Mayra. Mistina kumno fi mentioning live chat has moved. I don't understand what you guys talking. Onggel test iwan ko mano ini Aᴅᴅᴜᴜ. Kini insane bi siya mo wanam suwi ay ngan remove siya visa argot mo wanam suwi ay namarin sawan join ito iway aman karen ini guy. Hello ba Aᴅᴅᴜᴜ? Hello. Utuway unwan join kuno la kam niya ada visa.
Khasi Dora.
Oi.
Yang no.
Pi bakla tumo bakla ko no. Balay Aᴅᴅᴜᴜ. Ngam tu bahas yang kupno. Tu Khasi legend ngamut ronggel bat fi. Pin hap up sya bat king in hap le sya tiway bala ayu. Tiway bala ayu. Pan yu ID pa pan biang karum ban item kumno ngam su tu. Daw ID attack ngam yu apay ta namar ba? Ngakam dan extra phone with me. I don't have extra phone with me. That's why if they give it UID, then it will be difficult for me. But king Abshwa mo kini Abshwa. Yes attack. Oh, sino tao yes attack. Tao kini Mᴏʀᴜ.
Oi.
Mᴏʀᴜ.
Halo.
Oi.
Dengar tu MC duel mah.
Oh, okay. Ta. Shim friend. Kıyıʀᴜᴜ kan fi ong 1v2 am.
1v2 hot.
Go. Fast. Tidla dep schnai tu ngin sa you. Ngin sa patch bit. Sa Mayra. Sao posa sa first shot. Oi! Trick to kill. Damn, like seriously, Patrick. Pila delete friend yang ngam you issue if you put friend list. I didn't see you in my friend list anymore. Where are you, man? Why you just disappeared? Damn. Ngam nang parekan ya explain me to up itu iwe guys ngan tarai la jan depshna. There mentangin choose ngan haban choose arngut players. Inspect yang brother. Tingin choose na daw two way la ai emoji ba kluit yang amane an haban shim na po agel pat two way. Da yung tang arngut mo. Inspect yang ba ayo hami. Inspect yang kan inspect yang ngamlong raban la kai. Inspect yang ba hami inspect yang hoai. There can have let 1v2. Okay, hap ngan invite ni kuat ni kimwan ni gel member jungi. M1 dah tangan invite di ba Emerald. Let's try siliang kan ba hami. Okay, all the best mo. All the best. Okay, start no kan labiang hi. Idon imtip yang abang adon ha stream ngatry. Ngam lek kai FreeFire show. Oh, dah kadau pikam lek kai FreeFire show mo batterik ba it batiang. Balai kum ta batterik pikam lek FreeFire show. Pen sky lang do link channel ngam mesit lai sien ru phim pat pet. Nambar ba fitip ni am ngam don extra phone dah kadau am tengan haban shu you bet nang ni ngan haban shu pet nang tu bo stream ba he. Te dang pet hang dia ngam yo raban pet hang tu. Hoi labiang. Okay, let's go. Ta feel ala sao round feel ayo ban join hapo again. I think so non Khasi also are there in the stream. Kini tu bom dai Khasi ru kia pet stream try mo. Ini iba hami dan hapo again ayo. Flora crew. Ini Flora ro best ini. Balai pimi non mud ni no nang ni. Di best itu Flora ro di tu ba ya mi turu. Ide itu kong Flora nei Flora yu nem tu ngalak kelet no tang bai de YouTube ba itu ru. Come on broken tip yang stream. Emerald. Ina pet intelligent no. Pet ba kami. Ke movement speed. Oh my god. Wow. What the movement speed. Come on broken. Oh my Emerald ban lang ni. Nailate na 1v1. Oh!
First blood.
What up by Emerald 17? Oh my god. You know what? From our guild na, Emerald, Kaniki, then Athek, Shangdiar, they are best player from our guild. You know, when I play 1vs1 with them, they give me 0-7. Damn, that also I play PC, they are playing in mobile and they give me 0-7. Your guild player cheats. They take skill Wafra. I have taken too many shots on head, but they knock. You know AGF, you have to tell me before you create the room. I told you that you have to tell me before we create the room, before you create the room, because I will know how to choose players. You tell when you are already in room, it's not good. They won't leave the custom because they are already in custom. They won't leave, but some of them they didn't even know how to also. So I'm really sorry. One then you can come again another time, no problem. Come on ba hami 999 plus unet yung iba yung iniba Flora na iba hami ay dagdag plus na. What happened? Oi. Tell me, he will give you one tap for sure. He will give you one tap for sure. What are you doing? Oh, so sad. I think so. His network is not good. I think so. His network is not good. Miss Tina. AGF कैसे हो? Patrick, thank you so much. 110 super chat. Thank you so much, Patrick. You are the best. Ngataray pim kan mau show ingat teman fidang kan mau fidang pay extreme juga. You are always the best. Thank you very much for 110 super chat. Come on, Hame, what are you doing? You can defeat them. I know you can. easily you will defeat them one round. They are very dangerous player, of course they are. Come on, Mᴏᴇ. I want top from Mᴏᴇ. Vendra, I want top.
First blood.
His network is not good, I think so. Yeah, he already asked for 1vs1, but we cannot do that. We have to make 1vs1. He want to play 1vs1, but it's impossible, no? Let's see, Ba Emerald. Come on, Ba Emerald. Wait. Come on, Hame. Wait gitu. I headshot saya. Come on, you can do it. I win a clear gitu. What happened? Oh my god. Tôi lucky manta. Come on, you can do it. Your movement will be the best, huh? Your movement speed is very good. Yeah, it's very good. Your movement speed is very cool also. Wait. Damn, they just give headshot. How? Klavia pa siya headshot agad gitu. Nakontari din ang luban me. Kini ki player jo nga ki shuai wanta ba ini ba hami ti la kharu. To la jang pra yang helmet. Le aku ni fila ban ra da ka yu ra da ka bonfire ru. Nile ra fira bonfire. Best ha da fila kayu nile. Ra bonfire nama yo unlimited na ka bonfire ru ang ka daw basa. Your speed is not that much bad, but I think your accuracy is a little bit bad. Come on, Hami, you can do it. Dah, kihas natin kita yun tay. Hindi maralili lang siya pan-shot. Nice. They carry only one tap gun. I think so. They shoot only one bullet, right? I think so. So come on, Ba Hami. Baiklah, I constant HP am taga daw na sa amin. Laday I constant HP tanga try dang laban. Oh, pila di ban ka akluwal na siya diyan mi na siya kamat. Totom Lily, it's okay. It's alright. Konse language it's Khasi. Demon, welcome to the stream. Oh, welcome mo. Ladang am laban ni Iman. Welcome mo. Welcome to the stream, all of you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. If you didn't understand Khasi, then I will speak in English also, no problem. But don't tell me to speak in Hindi. I don't even know how to speak in Hindi. I'm gonna speak in English, okay? Now Mᴏᴇ is going alone. I think so. He won't be able to handle that because Hami is a very pro player. It's a spamming player, okay? Actually. He didn't carry one tap gun, I think so. Now he started to carry M1887. He will go.
First blood.
What is this, Mᴏᴇ? What are you doing? Seriously, you won't give him even one round also? Damn. Like seriously. Now he will carry grenade. I think so. Or I don't know, maybe it's glue wall. Because nowadays glue wall and grenade they seems familiar. Come on, Ba Hami, you can do it. You can do it. Just defeat them one round also, it's okay. Only one round. Only one kill also, it's enough. You don't need to win also. Only one kill, it's enough. Only one kill. Come on, Hami. But this Flora Grews also. This girl is a very nice girl. I know the leader of this girl is a YouTuber actually, but I don't know why they take guild test in my guild. Anyway, it's okay. Wait, look, he is very dangerous player, but he just want to give him a chance. I think so. No revive, please.
First blood.
Yeah, you can do it. Come on, Hami. One kill you got. Now you can do it. I know. His power is awakened. Ha. I think so. His power is awakened. My God, what a movement speed, yeah. I want to say that this is Indian server, okay? I play in Indian server, not BB server. It's Indian server. You can join with Indian server account. He will won one round. I think so. He will get one round for sure. He is very good player. His movement speed is not that much bad. Plus he is a mobile player. Oh, what are you doing, Broken? You wouldn't give him one round also, like seriously? Hello Dora, how are you, Mᴏʀᴇ? I'm fine, thank you. Habibi, how are you? I'm fine, Habibi. I'm fine. I'm always fine. I'm good. Emerald? Emerald, what are you doing? How many kills you got? Broken got 3 kills, Emerald got 1 kill, and Hami got 1 kill. Okay, not a problem. Come on, Hami, you can do it. You go from this side. His blue wall also is very nice. Wow. Then I think so. My teammates come on. What he come?
First blood.
Told you, Broken is a pro player. He gave only one tap. That also 4 kills he got. Okay, not a problem. Lilay Bahami, not a problem, Bahami. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Thank you so much for participating. Damanta, I'm gonna give you guys with the team code again. Wantang Bamut Banlek Kai room. Only guild test player will have to join. Okay, those players who join just for fun, then they are not allowed. Okay, now take my team code 7465236. Take that team code. Take that team code. Fast. Khasi ban, we don't have po YouTube. We don't have po gel jongai. Khasi legend. Wait. Okay, no problem. We got join hane po YD Moron.
Kamat long ra pala.
Long, da pi kwa ban join hang ni po YD Moron te tamba pi hap shna ka room pin hap le 1vs2. 1vs2 ne 1vs3 kat ba pi jet tamba 1v2 shalek.
1v2.
Okay, 1vs2 to kishna no kan kaloy. 1vs2. But iba Khasi ban. But iba Khasi ban tangan pulis ki chat jong fi mo. Shnada karum bermuda it's just a guildes. Dora GF uang ban shnamo ya kai. Ya kai un shnamo. Dora, you have the video clips of today 2v2 custom match? No, I didn't because I fixed my setting that time. Yeah, sure. You can if you wanna join. Bolo na 1vs2 kill na hai. Okay, if you want then to you can join na, no problem. Baardi dark side. Ab syama baardi dark side ban lek kai tu bhai. Ba ban imut ban lek kai 1vs2. Dengan haban delete friend syoi kitu ki bala offline palat ya ka arsing lain sengi te indala adab itu ngin salik join hang tu ikwa ban lek 1vs2. More than 20 days offline, then I have to remove you from my friend list. I'm really sorry. Ladap ni padap. Malay jayo. Alright, sister, I'm in live stream right now. Quite challenge kill test off in dark side. Dadap itu dadap di Khasi ban. Dasa join pida tim kuat mo. Nabar man kay ladap join di Khasi ban te. I kill test 1v2. Alright. Online attack online kan sa invite sa fee mantan pensyong no ya idon nila yung participate na kadang haban pensyong no ya idon meet a fee. Bat kitu armod hoy tudora. Okay to man sa ay mo. Sa join feed adap kanito iba kasi ba nila adap ni em. Oh, impedap ra. Ila offline. Ba dark side Kɣɪʟɪឡ no PK ila offline itu ba kasi ban nginum don puar ban upside Kɣɪʟ no ma PK kalai. So the next skill test will be with that dark side, okay? Because that Khasi ban he offline already. Any non-Khasi fellows are here? Oh, but dark side, upshore. But dark side, let him shna ne Khasi ban. But dark side, sorry, nai pat shna re. Oi, but dark side, upshore, what pat shna re? But dark side, please, dan biang kepur. What pat shna, but dark side, what pat shna. Don't create now. Lucky me. Emerald, let's try Shiliang. Let's try Shiliang ba Emerald. Let's try Shiliang. Glorywood Emerald, AMERALD. Emerald, let's try. Okay ta. Một ông Khasi ban move nó attack to. Okay, now go. Fast. Kidup sudah bawan kill test ro. Play what ong ra kom ta kim nubra. Dura, can you send me video clips of today? I don't have because I didn't record it. I just play I just play room today just because I fixed my setting. My setting is I don't know huri-hura jabari-jabara. That's why I have to fix my setting. That's why I didn't record. I didn't upload videos more than 2 days now. So I'm really sorry. If you really want the video, then you must have told me before I start the room na. Now we have attack and emerald as from my guild, and opponent ide ba Khasi ban. He is from my guild only, yaar. He is from Khasi Legend only, but he want to join YD Moron. It's okay, guys. I think so. He play only one tap. He's carrying one tap gun. Okay. No revive mo. No revive. Come on, ba Khasi ban. The legend player of our guild. Come on. I think so. You will be able to handle them. Very pro of course. You will be. Boom, headshot. Oh my god. His movement speed is very good. Look, his movement speed is good. How can you say this?
First blood.
How can you say that he is noob? He is a pro player actually. Saybor YT, welcome to my stream. Candy, welcome to my stream. Welcome. How I to fin hab test mo? Pen ikloy bahab mo ban pen ikloy bahab mo ban lekay yes. Yeah, then one I know you from your name. I can see that. I hate FF guys. Damn laughing. They need me la offline. Oi, Khasi ban, this is your only chance. You have to defeat him, otherwise that one guy is offline. Yeah, that bad man. Now he'll connect, I think so. Come on, Pak Khasi ban, you can do it. Matanya terkarengam, nakana ban terkarengam, tang pasang close fight. Kareng yang la mo. Karena Khasi mo, but I think so. There are no non-Khasi in here. And karena Khasi mo, dari badan kita Khasi siya tu alam kan? Emerald. Love lines away, love line. Come on ba Khasi ban, you can do it. Ilong na tahimay. Away love line. Only one player. That another one. That guy is offline already. Come on, you can do it. What a lucky day. Oh my god. Kita baru dia surut para beliau. Mantap lah. Just give him headshot now. I see only your movement speed. Where's your accuracy? Show me some of your accuracy. them their network is bad. That percentage will be for you because you play solo and they play duo and you play solo then too if you give it
First blood.
give it nice. Nice gameplay but nice. Up there blah 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 gitu ki ya karena kar bat investina kheli ya karena kar. Koi miss dan I armut ki subscribe dan I armut ki subscriber em ki join kar pat sa Allah nu. Plus nomor mentangin sim ﷺ player po gil em ngim pat don ﷺ po gil dan. Dan ngira ko saat random player. Pak join me random lele. Mentangin .com ﷺ player ta. Nomor ki join random pat ki join la join pa di player rank group pat nang lek kai join na join. Dia lagi sim pat dia lagi nomor kita first dan player am kin dai main number bet jom gil. Situ em. Batman balik pat mentah Sɣɪʟɪḻ tadi lah show pawang ai wih lah show sighting ang tu cak kawang tambah lagi mabok pak orang cerita laku tapi lah tak saurang lagi tak saurang ni kedan kamu aku akan pet hadukan lu keluar si juni power our Khasi player top. Dam. Spray baik pak. Panu dah dengar dengan ratu bom ru. Dia lepen mo pak. Banyak bear muda tu dah dengar pak. Kawak. Just kidding mo. Pet next skill test if yara shadow bom salawai. Layu ada now.
First blood.
They are one top player, they are one top legend, you know. Sanga mo Dora next. Okay saya kat kiba kloy ban join the team code kita kedekin yo join mo. Kat kiba ayo kat kiba kloy join the team code kita kende kiba ayo ikin. Kamla ada deh ban ayo hang. Kamla ada ban chat. Tadi ka first time sampai nang mentang deh kan comment set lah kan minta pak balas lembak. Ngapa ban pendap no iki mambang bogil kadau. Now Emerald got 1 kill and I think so attack got 2 and Khasi ban got 0 another problem I don't get it. Spray na yung lawan I don't think it. Yan na ako keluar demi siat lagi. Don't be afraid. They won't shoot you inside. But
First blood.
Look his movement speed. Look this Batman movement speed is very very dangerous. It's very fast like lightning. Wow. Hi Dora, sangaru mo next. Ay Sam, syari Sam. Sam ini hakam. Syari hakam di Sam. Mike 42. Okay, show you. No problem, you can join, no problem. Hey kalian teddy bear, hello, welcome to my stream, it's been a while, how are you? Welcome to my stream guys, it's been a while, how are you? And I have told you 10k subscriber, it will be a fixed let's see, because I'm very early and I don't think so you want to see my face. So, we better play only like this, just by blah blah by my voice. Sampai kamu main di Mbak Emerald Talk mo. Sampai join Mbak Emerald Talk. Come on Mbak Emerald, show me your movement speed. Tuh. Wait. Not bad.
First blood.
What am I seeing? Khasi ban jungi. Dora ID visa pi qua ID jong iway nyo. Sao du pra. Ko tong an IP. Ko an ID. Iway sao pra. Nyo not lie not real. Iway nyo sao pra. Nyo not lie not real. Now let me inspect him. Sun round kilala kini ki legend di legend pat dia. Ini bayo ru po Khasi legend display. They have taken kill test. They defeat me easily, that's why they take Khasi. I am ready. Yes, I am a guild leader, but I am dead here. That's why I didn't participate. Until I play a game then I have to. Otherwise when they are mobile player then I won't be able, because when I lose I feel shy. I feel embarrassed. Because I win.
First blood.
But I lose in PC player. Ibadi kamla ada ban share takan dia ru balik kam dia tang si round ru piklam yo pen lek kai lang no ya ki subscriber banu bro. Okay sure. Tambah ki choose tang 1v2 deh. Ki choose 1v2 dengan la ban ni choose 1v2 dengan haban pen lek bet kini nampo namar ni dan kam pengut ki player po gil nang tangen saya invite ki subscriber ngan spider ki subscriber. The rest kini ki main number pengut dek dek kat bagi choose maki 1v4 1v2 1v10 marok ni dalam long 1v10 ni balong choose 1v10. After that the rest you have to play with 1vs score. Oh my god, Emerald speed is god level. Come on Khasi ban, you can handle. Yeah, let down way. Yes, let down way. Yes. Let down way. Yes, Khasi ban. Yes. Come on, you can do it. One more player. No,
First
what
blood.
are you doing? Why you give me man? Oh, okay, no problem, Khasi ban. I think so. You have to stay in Khasi Legend. No problem. It's okay. Khasi Legend also it's my guild. No problem. So, anyone will have to join again. I think so. Wait. Let me check that guy. My turn mo okay ta. Shnano kan dark side. Shnano ba dark side. Come on ba dark side. You have to create now. Shnano ba dark side. Shnano kila dem. Okay, Shnano. Jangan pilih share kat chat trong fis ya. I want to share my screen to show my gameplay. You want to share your screen to show your gameplay? We already see your gameplay, AGF. We already see your gameplay. Dora type hani UID trong fi. Ngala type menium long rata. Iway nyo sound real pra nyo not line not real try kum tu iway nyo sound real pra nyo not line not real shim tu. Yo em. Layo niam shim tu. Ding. Okay guys, super correct fast. La shay gas ngi try em la shay hab le shnong. Hey, I wanna play yaar. Okay, after this match, because he is already joined na. Then he said that he want to play guild test 1v2. Then after this match you can join to team code and you will be the next, okay? But only if you can join. If you cannot join to team code, then I can't do anything. You have to join to team code only. Because it's a stream, no? It's not our private custom. It's in live stream.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Take my friend request, okay. Teman ta? Yan ay daki ay. Kuan na STREAM na stream ne na guild. Key player. PLZ kimi tu Z umi tam kat bang atai ke lo mai kum tu. Okay, nagil dei kwa. Kan nagil dei kwa nagil ngan haban invite dik tu. Ba emerald ngat file lat thai la le kai na du menia ta shnu tu Khasi legend. Khasi legend, where are you? Where are you Khasi legend player? Where are you Khasi legend player? Dia tu bat mat la mi imat apa agil deh. Kitu arngut pula offline away. Tu emerald Mᴏʀᴇ ba emerald Mᴏʀᴇ. Invite. Page headshot rate. Kaya cap na met rut eh. Kaya cap na met ru. Kaya cap na met ru kalau tahu page headshot rate tumlong ra. Wayla offline, Mᴏʀᴇ ra wayla offline. Don online si don jungi don. Siap nak tu way. Tenang ta? Amo kan haban invite bad ya smooth. La offline gitu lena bad smooth. Oh to labiang hoi ya. Ta lawan emerald. Lawan iba emerald to start no kan yan puli ke comment say my friend request I want to take this guy guild test. Okay. So at yang mentadora okay to option mo after this match mo. An penbira yo smooth to la ayo la mi attack mlile attack rubiang to player. You smooth man sabi no next time poi player badakai to Mickey. Next day Mickey am poi player badakai tamat mi no smooth. Mo biang am bat mi no smooth bat emerald le bat mi no smooth bat no man player tingin na po giling padon member. We still don't have any member in our guild that's so we have to take from Khasi legend. But not problem, Khasi legend also it's my guild. My main account is in Khasi legend. Here it's not my main account. But I just need extra guild because that Khasi legend is full already. Da ngaklempa like ngaklempa share nduk meni ngam tip show. Tegala ya like teknik share te ngam tik na bakin share. Okay, share it's okay. Don't share, don't show to anyone because I am noob. I feel shy. Okay, you don't need to share this thing. You don't need. You just give them one like and comment one of the comments and it's okay. You don't need to share. It's useless. They will just come and they'll just in comments. Okay, so you better. You just keep one like and one subscribe, one comments and it's okay. Thank you very much for that. Dan ngipat dapat tak apa udah gameplay juga dark side ngalam di kahit ni ya. Baik yang ni player deh. Ba dark side. Oh, one tap player of non-rap YT. Movement speed is very good. If I play 1vs 1 then I know I will lose 7. Kay 1vs1 ba nila? Kay back 0 ba? Uy! Red number! My god! His movement speed, yeah! Did you guys see his movement speed? Am I the only one seeing here? Hi.
First blood.
It's okay. Mᴏʀᴇ. Next stream I let no and no. Dora caught 1v2. Saya join no kita kita subscribe. And I siam mᴏʀᴇ join team. Dark side movement speed is very cool. The depth to way am buat saya join. Come on ba dark side. Come on, you can do it. I really want you to join my guild, you know? Because your movement speed is very cool and if you play 1vs1 with me, I know that I will lose. That also 0. I will get 0 and I will lose 0-7. So I really want you to join my guild. So please handle them, please. I want you to give them at least I want them to give you at least you must get it. According to your movement speed, it's very, very, very difficult to find such a player. Wait! What is this? You don't need to kill him.
First blood.
He will die by himself. Just he won't revive. Just handle the rest. My god! What a movement speed, yeah. Okay, let's do para legend. Come on. Now legend, yes, legend. Oi, oi. Emerald win this match. I think so. Emerald is a very, very, very dangerous player. Accept mo dorang kateng yung print, yung print. Okay, ta. Next stream I not banlek kay subscriber via subscriber because it's a guild test. That's why I have to guild test. Then I have to choose 2 players from my guild and the rest from the subscriber. My god, Emerald. That side your gameplay is very cool, man, really. Comment mo parlok ngan penrung ini ang guild pengal itanat palat dai kar kom lek kajun I really like his gameplay. Je comment sa subhas sa banya vote lang. Banya vote ang baik penrung. Yeah, I like bahe ang penrung. His gameplay is very, very dangerous. He's like PC player. I think so he play with that mouse and keyboard. He play like PC player, you know. I play PC but I can't beat his movement speed. His movement speed is very, very Emerald is very nice. Emerald is a very, very, very good player. Allow him to repair his helmet now, guys. What are we doing? Kila siya rush kim lu lesting ra naman. Kila siya kawang lu na. Dark side, oh my god. Oh shit, yaar, what is this? My god. Dark side. Oh my god. Dark side. You are very, very, very pro. You are a legend. Play properly. I know you will win this match. I know you will win. I know you can take this one. Come on, Dark side. I know you can do it. My god, his movement.
First blood.
Come on, Dark side. Hey, what
kill.
is this? Oh my god. Like seriously? Arey baba. Oh my god. 1v2. He beat my legend. They are very pro. I can defeat them, but he defeated also 1v2. Damn. This guy is very, 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 very dangerous. Dora, where's Kinagon? I don't know. Where you hide, huh? No accuracy, teman toy there. He has accuracy also, plus movement speed and accuracy. This guy is perfect. He have both accuracy and movement speed. I really like his gameplay. Let's vote for him, guys. Let's vote for him. Shall I invite him in my game? Let's vote for him, please. He's a Khasi player and he play like a legend. Oh my god. Where are you? Tiklawan natin neng. Dark side. Nangalek kayo niya ang tikanangan yung 0 damage. OMG. Very dangerous. Headshot. Come on, Dark side. Ngelakit kita ngelak. Sao rong ngelak. Kay bang na match na eh. Oh my god. Hindi ba attack la Σᴏᴏᴜᴜᴜ La Σᴏᴏᴜᴜᴜ Hindi ba attack. Please. Come on, attack. Nice.
First blood.
Nice gameplay about that side. Nice gameplay. Ngan select kay lam hỏi. Vote ya Emerald. What lek kay what Emerald? Emerald is a very, very dangerous player. No, Emerald is very, very, very dangerous player. He's very his gameplay is god level gameplay. Come on, you can do it. Nampak je itu hingga internet itu kau nak kaya namar 1vs2 mo. Nampak je ini namar main na may day he. Iban mo guild ta kadang naman spec. So all my spec ini. What am I seeing? Hakan. Tadi yung lihat kaya nak sila siya script na taray.
First blood.
PC player is not easy being PC player.
Double kill.
Guys, what are you doing? You can't even handle this guy. You already won my heart. Really? I want you to one more round. I will invite you to my kill for sure. Dah kat no views boy, current views boy 20. Okay, come on guys, like not batai stream. I want you guys to like the stream, like and subscribe. You don't need to share because I feel shy. Just like and subscribe. It's okay. You don't need to share. I don't want others to see my gameplay and after they come insulting me. I really don't want that. Come on, but dark side. He's a very dangerous player from dark side. Wait! Hey, what are you doing?
First blood.
Oh my god. OMG. How para legend. You can do it. Bintang art round. Oh my god. Okay, tapi besok tu bila di bangyo ang tu deh. It's okay. Sekarang kom I keluar sebab weh keluar kan. Oh. Kai kau sudah nampak dah kai. Si dia tu kau nak kai. Ba emerald mo semua. Emerald. Mohon Pak Emerald. Kamu Pak Emerald. Kiasa para legend saya. Boom headshot. Come on Emerald. Woi. Lahir kau headshot. Oh my god. OMG. Come on Pak. Come on, you can do it. Tuh submit dah tu telu play. Aha, ini dah. Lapet saja terai. Oh, siapa ada itu ro? Headshot. Boom headshot. Like ini dah. Nak mesang tu kan dia. You can do it that side. I know you can do it. Oh,
Double kill.
Oh my god, you already won my heart. Oh, you already won my heart. Kinup tasam ki opponent. If you think that they are noob, so then come and try now. Come and try by yourself and see. Come try by yourself and see. You said that they are very noob, na? Opponent are very noob. Why don't you come and try by yourself? Let's see how legend your gameplay is. Come now. That's why we should by Scoble. First of all, if you want calling them noob, then you come and try first of all by yourself. Try to play 1vs with them, and if you can defeat them, then to yes, you are a legend. You can't say that they are noob, but if you can, then to you understand. I don't understand, but you understand.
First blood.
Nice Emerald, nice. Tapagay yung sumunod actually. Okay, no problem. Please take my test. You have to join through team code again. You have to join through team code. Come on, but that side, only one more round. You have to win. Then you can try kill. I have one more legend, and I'm very excited. Mbak Batman 999. Kawang Mbak Batman. Kawang bah. Bet ka movement yung tayo lang player please. Play like PC player. He played 10 times, 100 times better than me. Oh my god. Tolak lagi. Kena fight. One bad time. I know you can do it. I know you can. Oi, babari. OMG. Oh.
First blood.
Come on, you can do it. Only one more players left. You can do it. But that guy, I know you can do it. Come on, attack. Live lay, attack quickly. Totom lay, but attack. Betul. Kawang aku libro na ba attack.
Double kill.
Oh, welcome to our guild, Dark Side. Welcome to our guild. Welcome. Tila, you're joining me. You already get to join. Maybe he didn't know that we are a very close friends. We used to talk like that to our friends, to our best friend, because they are my best friends. Sometimes I used to call them, oh you what no, but they understand because we are close friends. Sometimes they call me, oh you know bruh, nobody bought like this like that. It's okay because we are friends. But if an unknown person calls us like that, then no. For us, of course we will get it. And you already won that side. You don't need to play yes, you already won. Welcome to my team. I think so you're playing with mouse and keyboard because your mouse is very cool. His movement speed is nice. He's very fast.
First blood.
He is very fast. My head is spinning like anything. Only one pro player. I think so you will win this match. Oh my god. You defeat my two legends. Oh. You guys, I didn't know what to say. I am speechless now. A mobile player play like this. If you play with PC, then to somehow you say, oh, it's a PC player too. But mobile player play like this is very rare. Boom, headshot. Come on, attack!
Double kill.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I want to see his gameplay till the end. I want to see who won this match. I want to see. He already get to join my guild. He already get to join. I want to see his gameplay. Yeah, he already get to join. My god, damn, the way he play now. It's what to say, next level. He must participate in that Khasi Khasi test mo to. Shimon before na Khasi. Non-stop Shimon no. Damn, he's very wait. His helmet is nearly gone. They are destroying the world also. Oh my god. They are destroying. Oh my god. OMG.
First blood.
What a gameplay, yaar. also. You can handle 2 at a time. Then 1 kill is easy for you. Come on, Emerald. Emerald, come on. When you can do it, Emerald, don't get nervous. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Emerald movement is very, very good, but still, that guy is. That guy, which device he's playing, he can handle 1 person at a time. Come on, Emerald. Seriously, I really love your gameplay. I really, really, really love your gameplay. You can do 1v4, nah? Then it's okay. You can just choose like him. He choose like he adjusts his power is like that. He choose only 2 players. Nah, it's okay. You can choose only 2 players. Otherwise, we are just come here just playing for time pass, and so it's useless, nah? Choose like him. You choose only 2 players. Now you can join the guild. You don't have to yourself. Then you can prove that that one another day, no? This is for guild test only. Wait! Emerald. Emerald. I really like your gameplay. Babi ba delete game? What happened? Balai ba akan pila delete ke game? Balai pila delete ang game? OMG. You already won the match, yeah. It's okay. You can join. You don't need to fight so hard. I know you can do it. You are very pro, though. You can handle them easily. RR dark side. Oh. Try ka ping infinite. Try flat back. It's okay la lafi back no ngaruk ngalakwa hiban ni back no balong kabala ada. Tabang klam yo ongi niya. To next match ke pinchna no pila banchna 7 round tabala da pila sa back mo kambes mo. Da taba ngan back no bendut na matay ko. Pa ba ihadu bakot. Come on baby, you can do it. You can do it. Attack? Come on, attack. Where are you? You're taking away attack. Oh my god. OMG. This accuracy is very good, man. His accuracy is very, very good. I can say that. You have good accuracy and
Double kill.
Now I see he is not a mobile player. He play mouse and keyboard. Now I see he is a PC player. He play both in mouse and keyboard. I think so. Because from his movement, I know so that he was playing in mouse and keyboard. I know it. Day on, na kom na. Try Davey. Hi Condora, how are you? Thank you. I'm fine. I'm very, very good. I can't say yeah. Just playing mouse and keyboard. Mobile player this type of gameplay is OMG.
First blood.
OMG. Come on, Emerald. Don't lose this match, Emerald. You are my best player from my guild. I see your gameplay. It's very uncommon. Come on, kill him. Give him that shot. I didn't do it. Oh, where is he?
Double kill.
He won the match, guys. Like seriously, he won the match. Oh my god. OMG. I'm shocked. His gameplay. Ayo. God level gameplay. So
I'm the leader of the pack.
Siya ito, Emerald. Siya ito, iyo. my god. What is this? Tao bạn đặt site you can one join an idle ID na and should invite if
Kumnudura.
Tang an idle ID na and should invite.
Okay.
Ka
Enjoy no.
join nak mentah na marba. Ngidang don play adang prangut.
Dora yang baru. Invite kan.
Kumno fi kelempat join sa so la ada invite if him day ra.
Betul ya account kita. Kini tu.
So fi
Buat
ba kumno cake no.
itu tuyu patu mana?
Aklat te
Iya, betul. Dah jurtas ni way lah ang siyang yang ada mana ay saya jurtas mana pas nama.
Am sha dah cake shoy way uni ban lam em piong.
Hai.
Okay. Shay la ja. Day ni ba dat site la dat mi ni em. Em
Oh, lera le kali. Dress tuyu patu kali.
Johnny 999. Loy berdah dafi mut ban mi sami no. Let me know, okay? If you want to join then you let me know. I have to give it tip code.
Kakerteng nak man.
Don nang tu kita tip ikarul ngataray. So come again. Who wanna join? Take this. Not Kandai South Yo South away 09474441. Come on guys. Come on guys. Come on guys. Come on. Not Kandai South Yo South away. Manui ni Princess Miss Lisa. Princess. This name sounds familiar. Hello sis. Hello. Hello sister bait. Hello. Say something. Why are you keeping quiet? One v2 now, 1v3. Now 1v4. 1v5. Oh, 1v2. Okay, tata. No, not now. This guy. Are, AFG start. Not now. Much na siya ni princess. Okay, to kiss siya na no. Okay. That team is very. Gitu giba nakatuka team nga tip play nakatute. Kibam keren na ay challenge. Kibam keren na ay challenge. To mlilera ki team nyo ito ba Jonita?
I'm the leader of the pack.
I'm the leader of the pack. Not now. Attack one like invite let biang pina la iway na one la invite room this tambah imkaran tang amla araban ong di containation rank because most of the players nowadays they just come on emerald let not Sophia put let not smooth but emerald let no smooth but emerald him let shoot ra. Okay, let's try session fee. Let na kito 1v2. Kan haban spec ha po ayu. Spec na stream. STREAM STG. Okay, not a problem. Disebut nili siya kasabi ti princess. Goyle. Oh, wait. First of all, girls and boys. Lisa, Miss Lisa. Sister Ava, okay. Start now, sister. Start now. Kila biang baik kini player dong ah. Kila biang baik tangan polis kini. Except what ingat ay kateng mo Xerox. 1vs full la klan. Salam nili na fi kloy ban join na mari kloy ban join ini ta ngam ban se ban penle ini mo kat kiba kloy ban join. My god. I don't know whether she's a girl or a boy because she didn't talk. But her name is like a girl, so maybe she is a girl. I think so. Hope so she will win the match. itu you mania itu iba job itu ka you mania fila ban mi no na po gel ada fikwa ban join. If you just participate just for time pass, then to brother you better not to waste my time. Come on, Pak Smooth, what you can sting more? But kai hai ni, I that kai don't be Miss Lisa. I can sting more. Fila tang sao round nam sis fila you ban join. Come on, sister, show me what you got. Show me what you got. Our movement speed is very cool.
First blood.
What are you doing, Smooth? What are you doing? Have mercy, no? Have mercy. I'll send friend request. Okay, pa. Ya ba harli but okay. Ngin haban IR what to play la dangi pa ya ba harli kan haban choose but Smooth la ni emerald. If you ban ship line good, pick up ban ship and riung got to shim lut rubiang later. I'm gonna see her gameplay. She's a very good players. Dan dapat cut according to my thinking, okay. If a girl want to take a guild test, then she don't need to won 4 round, right? She have to won only 3 round, I think so, because girls' power is somehow less than boys, right? Then if she won 3 round, if she talk, okay, only if she talk, if I hear her voice, okay, maybe boys nowadays they are giving their nickname as a girl. Whether it's a boy or girl. Come on, Stab, you can do it. I know so.
First blood.
Now I'm shocked. Smooth is a very dangerous player. Except Peter Akateng. Okay, wait more up. Go for 100 light, guys. Attack. How many lights I get now? Come on, attack. You are a moderator. How can I give you as a moderator? I don't even have my cell phone. Wait, let me give you as a moderator. I can't even. Hi. No, I cannot do anything. I can't do anything. We just have to watch the stream. Princess, come on, princess. Come on, princess. Pira na ni pataw na pan ngara na ni pataw nga Ɂభᴏᴜᴜ palat fi ka clear. Ang sawi mga ken, dili tang ba. Oh my god. Your movement. I really don't want this much. At least for round. My kill. I really want a girl kill. I'm the only one who's standing here. So I need 1 more. Or 2 more. Or 3 more. Come on, you can do it. Her movement speed is very good. It's very cool, right? Yes, come on.
First blood.
Smooth lah siya level. Oh my god, was smooth. Level na smooth mo. Balay ba ni use for fraki ba challenge 1v2 because it's a freestyle na. If she want to spam, then she can spam, no problem. They can use any character skill. They want. Except Wukong, okay? Wukong not allowed, Kuno also not allowed. The main skill is the active skill is only Alok and that red color dress one, red bundle one, I don't know his name. That DJ, I forget his name. I really don't know. It's okay, you can use any skills. It's okay, you can. It's okay, it's always okay. Ban spec kan hingga gameplay ring tama pa ito nga imida ka ha fi man si star la tang lay round niya uy emerald Oh my god, headshot. Emerald. Don't tell me later, Emerald. It's okay. It's okay, Emerald. It's okay. Come on, pumpkin head. Come on.
First blood.
Skill wait, sis. Skill wait. Wait. I should be itu. Cam wait dah lupa itu attend. I want tap it. Spray wait. Dapat. Tahu pinhaban kalian macam mana? Ada macam mana pinhaban on mic. Pinhaban on mic. Voice. I know your voice is very cute. OMG. Spoon, what are you doing? What are you doing? You just die in the zone. Like seriously. You don't need to do that. You have to remove that walls. Remove that walls. Yeah. Come on, sister. Ma, flag your red number. Flag your red number kan dia. Tay lawan. Oi!
Kill.
What is this? Oh my god. Ngaklap kan mau pay lah your red number. Dora lah change ke tag na. Yo, yes. Basmut ngala chu change kai. Chu change kai talk. Oh my god, like seriously. OMG. Dia lah saya kasi kan sa stan ang ba fin join member kan best join member day. Tangkap sukar kom ya invite ker kom ya. Ngapa yo ra fin ATM ola yo ipai ong la da ipai la bu ipai chisno. Dan ada la yo ATM lek kai tournament mo man kaski. Biar pada lek kai tu pal ong best ship pai kan. Ship post ka. Ar ship lek kai da kasulu. Dek ship kan siu man siu am la ban lek hadu hidukan badan ﷺ dia yang tu paksa nak kopi atau just dia baca pat dia yo weekly membership
First blood.
Yo weekly membership na tarai ka biang tadi da perkat ne kumno ne ya perkat lah mapi yo pi ko diamond ha kador kebatat kam diamond ka scam ngi Khasim ju scam ra tang kita kari bas scam mo ngi Khasim ju scam ra jangan dai bitang syurum ngin kita job am ya kita job membership buya bad skill gitu kan yo weekly membership baru skill udah kait skill dah bani buya ta syuri yo ta ni skill kan barush bet tai tu ajeng pro em tengah try ngelek kop ta khambes nei I don't know you have to decide ngashu idea pinhaban ai jinggut lang ngelek kuno ngatarai ka bha fi ngin ya sai betang uploading ka bayro ya ki bajop ki yo bet arspa redeem code pi uploading ka arspa redeem code yo na imo kuno na ka pi o pi ya ai idea lang nga mon ba smooth shady bitch nga ito spray
First blood.
Ikam ka keluar lang tu tak daw yo like M2 way. Yo siap tu nak kadang-kadang. Dora video na ingade na seorang let's say ngata. Dora tak accept itu dari Sya mga konok okay ta. Ngamenjur ta. Ki ngar ko masuk itu kan dia belek kayu ta masuk shit mo. Dia ni lek ko no. Ap ngandala le shnok nama le sini haban le shnok. Lasha le sini haban le shnok dia. Yo stream kami upload video kami oleh kain offline dengan warna du lasisian warna lasisian julit Jepang sa warna dan ang tangin saya ayo ka ATM saya kemud ngin saya penlek kain na tournament dari ba ada player bit ﷺ ngut man lagasi ngin penlek man kesini ada kam dapat dia mo let's say kibriu keempat tip kumno ban join ban EA tan chimpor mo stayo ne atayo kumto bandap shiru dan siapa kan mo 20 rupees in 3 pieces 20 and the winner will get 200 redeem code then 40 or 50 phila ban yo ban kawai real oh just pak sam pandai ang kayo membership nampak na lek itu pak sampai pandai ka
First blood.
Emerald. At least she didn't lost 0-7. She got 1. She is very dangerous. She is a very good player. So I can say that. Monu, welcome to the stream. कैसे हो आप? Manu kamu चाहिए आपdan. Manu says, oh Toma, hi Didi, how are you? Love from Bihar. Hi. Monu, welcome to the stream. So who win this match? I think so. Our team will win this match. Now let's see her game. Her gameplay is very nice. Her gameplay is very cool. Dia fin dalarong po agil like itu kagul ba kakateng kan haban ay kan kumat. Kabanar kan haban bu katuka season noob banner. Best ha. She play better than me. See that two players they are participating. They get
First blood.
She's very good player. I can say that. Okay, then next new subscriber here. Welcome Monu. Welcome. It's nice meeting you. Welcome. So, Manu kum to banle.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Next. Kano ba jay mata? Kandai siya pa. Okay, next. Manu ban join. Shimfran ni kitum long red. Full day na marba ngadang shimfran tayo hindi kiba. Ayuta. An shimfran siya tayo hindi kiba ngimot ban le kaya sa shimshpel ada dunamo. So I'm gonna give you guys with a team code again. I think so. I'm gonna give you guys with a team code again. Nice one. So wait more. Toshimkan, you can take my team code 2088441. 20884 and 1. Dah alina kulay. Stat mana boleh join? Khasi legend seriously. Pico apan sim guild test. Dora balai fi buat subscribe amut hadusan minit balai fi buat tang si minit kiba subscribe ki kloy ban join ha chat ani ngabu hadusan minit se. Hadusan minit ngabu. Ngakram kan mau resist kita. Customization. OMG. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry mo. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Thank you so much sis. Fil apan kan mau lam yang aku blai si buat access bait batiang. Aku blai si buat access batiang. Tang mo pi siapan kan mau nga. Okay, hello ba Khasi legend. Uy. Hello. Nyala 1vs1 na 1vs2. 1vs2 na 1vs3.
1v2 6% 1v2 mah.
Okay, tak Kishna no kan? Pak legend nge-try na job rin naman na po gil nge-try to. I don't know. Maybe he has made up in his mind. Who may knows? Hihi. Hui, Harley. I think so. Balay o miyakun. Ladi. Bang anu bra. Lagi don PC player dengan bansi. Like mobile player tanya kun bat PC mas ngoy hab day. Ngams ngoy hab bagi mobile player kini kun bat PC. Ta ha bagi kun para mobile tagi PC player ki bakwa ta soong ngansa. Ngansa mi.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Ngamban si
I'm
bat
the
mi.
leader of the pack.
Okay, dah udah ba mano attack deh. Saya tu attack lang ja. Jong no. Ngadon stream im tip ini. Ngadon ha stream or dah I'm in live stream right now. Oh. Join the stream, join the stream. Ngamla ban le siliang yenu. Ha join the stream. Mo, tiba legend lah dia. He said he wanna play 1vs2, so I'm gonna invite from here. 1vs2. He said he wanna play 1vs2. Okay, go. Lại lang siya siyang kitu so nga. Oi, Nitin Yadav, ha, bolo. Yes. Hi, Nitin. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Welcome to the stream, my dear. Welcome. Smooth, go that side. Smooth siya tay. Smooth. Okay, tahu labiang. Labiang mak dia revive mo. Next time mo. Nayok the next time. Okay, the battle will be Khasi legend and that two legends. Khasi legend also it's a YouTuber, but he tell me that he has already deleted the YouTube channel. Now he stream in router apps or something. So wala na don gitu giba use to apps nga ngam don IDIA re ta Սոභᴏᴜᴜ nila i-follow lang imo. Ngam don IDIA nga lakalat karteng yung apps tanga daw. Kaya sa Lıyɪṛᴅᴇᴍ na kaday na kamday. Pinlekay para PC mentate em ngilekay tang gigil test ngin haban da day PC player ngin haban shim way PC the way mobile. That means one PC player, one mobile player, we have to play. If you want to play 1vs2, if you want to play 1vs4, then we have to take one PC player and 3 mobile player. If there are many PC players also we can play. We can play 4 PC players also, no problem. So let me see his gameplay. His gameplay is very cool. I have seen his gameplay many times. He can handle 1v4 easily. Come on, Bak Legend. Boom, headshot. I know you can do it. You are very pro player. His movement speed is not that much, right? Look the way he throw his wall. It's very amazing. It's nice. Then nilai kom no kret lah. Kibriu ki ong lah shit.
First blood.
Balik tu. Oh, Emerald balik tu. It's good limpat lah je dah. Kret tang Emerald. No problem. Ani ra lau you. Tu Adam Caca. Adam crack. Emerald. Tu come on Bak Legend. Kêu nang jurong yeng lah Bak Legend. Kêu nang ti tenum siat baik gitu. Kêu nang tenum yeng. But you feel like you shamo, I'm just kidding. There, should lip light niya, should nong jufi kadar baji. Should nong chini pasang nga kadar baji lip light. May hadul siya min stem. Oh my god. Mon pa legend, Khasi legend mode nong. Khasi legend. Natenggil jong alay. Slow na nag-walk na. Headshot. Body shot also, no problem. It's okay. Naman hindi tigilid. May himan lang ka. Gawang naka-invite, naka-one tap. Best ha. So ito yung smooth ngayon itang ko. Ito yung smooth ng eyelash na. Smooth itang eyelash na. Bali, princess pag hindi kan tayo rupiah bayak berarman. Oh my god. Uy! Lagi kami bakal si legend Uriura. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Give him that shot! I want to mentok sa si legend I headshot. What? Come on Emerald, I headshot itu. Itu Adam itu. Di balik apa lihat ada Adam. I headshot. Emerald là lại can mình nhà đi là đây vẫn thải một điกันra em đây sẽ để đây mà đâu bao giờ đâu first round của Emerald đó. Ui Woi, layap Shensun. Up in the me. Up in the push ni. Layap Shensun. Layap Shensun. Oh. Ngala light doran pesan balait manga. Thank you very much. Kiba kawan kalai kat aku jengi pat siang kalai. Tas yang aru okay, to no problem sa join tim kut mo. Shnong jungi te ja light kat WBG. Shania ta khadar BG kalit. Sad King 1 vs 1. If you want to play 1 vs 1 neto, I think so you have to stay on your own guild. Because this is for guildas only. This is for guildas only. Only 1 vs 2. 1 vs 2 above. Kata ada kila Sauron, like join. Come on, Pak Legend. Kasi Legend. Do something. On your hacking skill. On to hacking skill nanti. Ito yung set na sky. Malay ko ta. Malay ba Emerald set na jengay. Pinday shoot na. Uy! Balik. Kasi Legend lah kulmar ka keluar mo. Tawa ka lah tu siya. Uy!
First blood.
Sebut. What are you doing? Kibrio ki na bagini ki opponent janga ke iyo. Yang balak don kill bat pipat pimut kick no kikrem. Kiba syong Khasi Legend kita nak buat YD Moron kita nak YD Moron. Kat Pokemon tela da piku aban join buat YD Moron mit haban shim guild test. Da piku aban syong Khasi Legend da nilai syong nilai. Don hang tu tengaro. Nilai. It's okay. Nama lagi lagi guild challenge pat lang iki player na po YD Moron pat na po basam nama kala full tala yo ba smooth ka to ka Khasi Legend taga daw man sin haban invite lang bat habsna soy man to ini ba Legend to ilami itu wifi basaw ni hoy menta himal ila adu net tabala deh la miet tala kret thut hi kaping jeni Khasi Legend. He's a woodpecker king, okay guys? He's a woodpecker king. He is a king, a Khasi king of woodpecker. He's a very
First blood.
player. Okay, Mᴶʀᴇ dan Ceros Harial di ikut ha. Hagim no mercy. Dayong ba Khasi Legend? Dito kiba lek ka ito ba kan tau apps ko nga urutar na na salit pulo lang ini mo. Day ba ini streamer hoy. Stream ko tau apps ngam tip rew day ngarong am tip rew ta ngala klat patek ko mga Saudi ruta. Sa salit pa di. Sa suhab na share niya suka karait lang ro. Dili pulo try ang tau apps niya. One ba Legend kan wait. Salah Legend start tu. Woi lah yang antara camping ini ba Khasi Legend kam dalong baha. I think so. I don't know but I think so. Kita ki ba komen yang stream apa spesial dengan saya moderator mah yang dengan I moderator spesial dengan nama bentar tengah dang don hang nama I moderator. Dadan kita tiba dan super chat pangam da UI thank you very much kita tagadang ngam yo ban pet dan dalong kabala dan kala tournament every day every night every morning. Emerald I headshot. Wait. Oh my god, Emerald, seriously, I shabat dum. Yang nga sa banlek kay okay to so check yang nga hagil fi okay ngipat ngin siw ay habam don ni ya ka ay ba kasiban ya ka by tournament. Lada fi ko aban siw ka by tournament lada fi don arpaw ding ka hapla tele hapo cyber le to ong shim pensen arpaw ding ka by register ha taw Google Pay. Lada ay dala yo itiap. Tapi ada teks nga so ngala ada register sa send ba ka screenshot kay namar ba uspoy ta kapisah ta ong ruspa ikong dura dia pan ba bangat tip register tanggal don saw krangot tengit penle ki ba job kinyo be aspa redeem code biang tang biang pimo 4 darem tan arpo tingka aspa antara gerang biang pelik lagi spa dah yo tak spa aja dah kaya kelap yang pelat ni dah pelik ni baduk kapar pelik dah bahek tinggal yo bisa spa Lily tem long join akan dia yo tabu basyana tang yo tada di baju Lily telah yo biar spa the weekly membership la tam sa ka one back Khasi legend I know you can do it Iba emerald tila island. Yung manage may basmut. Kana kunsi di ba legend ta kami balay ba legend. Kapit na there is no accuracy. Basmut in accuracy.
First blood.
Oh my. Ilana kaloy kawang matru-matram. O di ba emerald biyang accuracy de. Syif dan mentanga don sini sebang ajudan lanu fin peniai tournament nga dayo ka ATM la sai la sisngi ali sisnong te kamot nga try lamon di sendak no register ka tournament mo I think so that is nice let's see again come on back Khasi legend penyuan round tang shroud ru lap yang man kasi le kai on PS ko ila bite ni ba senjen kasi lo ko dia try yang accuracy bala kai QC le jenjar hat na figure nya le kai QC le dia ngasu thu ba ka ledak kan malada sudah ban accuracy headshot Mᴏʀᴜ welcome to my stream Khasi fans gaming welcome all of you guys welcome this timing baru penap sa nyo po light penap na bala penap nyo po light 70 lights please let's complete 70 lights together you and me and you and me and you and me Kalian friend yang abang online pa tips mo nga hantu ako ayu nga da way account na EGF star you have joined the first round you are the first person to take the guild test I think so maybe you have to give another chance because they want to have to give others also na they also kan problem you can participate tomorrow it's okay it's alright you can do it I give kami kalaya buat no kami kalaya game wala one day am ngelatih by
First blood
what is this what am I seeing yaar you just gave him headshot you didn't even give him one round also please next I let kai nga em pinhaban join the team kun kada meeting ngampat on friend harai ngampat on friend da try am friend ibarat na guild da on friend lay kan do agil dora free day ong bachipang te guys please like the stream oh kada sis kata tamba ngaji tu temen namar bah plus kawai ngami upuli ka ngami upuli comment sam taka daw sa Mᴏʀᴜ okay guys so ban like ban share ban subscribe and I share na balik ran okay just like ini istina lalim ay magdala how can I it's very difficult wait after this match I will check next I am here okay you can join the team code Mᴏʀᴜ but first of all you have to like this stream I think so only a subscriber can sign for that but some viewers didn't even like the stream so you have to like it
First blood
oh the Mᴏʀᴜ ba legend it's okay you can try again next time it's okay Da I give Shwang and I like. Oh, I give Shay ini kalau yang game mana tak I show like nyo. I have liked all your videos. Thank you. I'm creating next. Don't ignore me. But first of all, you have to
I'm
join
the
to team
leader
code
of the
again.
pack.
If you cannot join to team code, then too it's your loss. I cannot do anything because most of them want to join, but still they can. So you better not to waste a custom. Okay, guys, join me. Shame ngala I to you. Oh, team code lie. They lie soutly lie. Can die away. 333394. Mana ini? Mᴏʀᴇ. Oh, hello brother. Welcome. The Kýʀᴛᴇ. Tapi nak pilih kai 1vs1 ne, 1vs2 ne, 1vs3, 1vs4. Choose Mafia. 1v2. Okay, Kýʀᴛᴇ kan? Kýʀᴛᴇ nang ta. Ini yo spec no batai. I join lang, subscribe ang adon sis pasan po. Okay, no problem. Itu. I think so. I need a good player for that. Emerald, but it's smooth mo. Can meet biang kini argut mo. Emerald, but it's smooth. Can meet biang kini mo. Okay. Ngaru kwa bun smooth. Ngakwa ban smooth bahate ga game kwa kelipi. I don't understand what you mean to say by that. Okay, amo. Ngan penbi bian nak itu player. 1v2 tadang la ben Mᴏʀᴇ ngatrai. He's a very good player. I know that. He can handle 1v2 easily. Ngatrai one shot itu. Ngan invite na yo broken bot. Invite na iba broken bot. Iwan iba broken. Laiman tengah have invite into he. Come on ba broken. Oh, tu lawan broken. Okay, you can go with that. Lailut siya tayo baro. Open spec no way. Penspek no way. Pancake tumlong ra. Penspek na nga. Balik imut bat penbilang yang ngaru. Dora set ha unai but se ban welcome ki ngala dep le assist tang ba pitip ni em. Ngania tu ifi ngala dep le baro kla tip top em tambang am ju stream show la slam plus ngal you pen ki yang ni OBS em tang daw. Kong Dora fi berkira mentambit. Pai pila perkira sapi papi. Tak ngambar kira, ngan pen ebe ngambar kira. Ngambar kira syari ni kasiban ngambar kira. Si siapan. Ngalas ngambar kira palat pan ni bak Khasi yang belum doa. Kita ngalas you said jubuan. Okay, it's okay guys, it's okay. Okay, ladang lah. Mano ba ang start? Labiang hoy. Labiang ngala samar ki palat ini iba Khasi la pa samar ki tang ban le kumno adap ni em kumno padap na mentadu ba Khasi ani la susi ni sadap sawan mo challenge bat ngi what challenge? I don't want to challenge you anyone. You know that I am bot, I am noob. I didn't even know how to play also, and you want to challenge with me? How come? Ông Bách sẽ here. Okay, you got it. Damn, Khasi. Okay, you got it, man. Thay ngay ni. Okay, now you got it. Ha. Okay, labiang to nga samar kiro ini la. I know you are a noob player. Yes, I never say that I am pro. Yeah, I am noob. I never say that I am pro. Lele dah saset biar na filak loy por kam sup. Ya fite ban yo fokus sa game ro hoy. Namar dala you obsess menta teng ampat yo te microphone i ngamot le away sa nang layo he's spam.
First blood.
Is he spamming? I thought he play one tap. Damn, scoot ya but late lang tu to upon. Kiyo balat. Full nervous next time. I'm Mr. Khasi. Day manu tu? Dah dekat kan? Fly you oleh kan ni Mr. Khasi. Di Khasi le dia nimat. I know you are I am. I never say that I'm not. Oh, the haha. Buat bom narik. Hey guys, if you didn't play one tap, you have to spam, okay? If you didn't play one tap, then you don't need to play one tap. If you spam, then you can spam. Too smooth like Chifang. Too sad. Don't ever say like that. Don't ever say like that. He is not a god. He is a very dangerous player. But unlucky for him, he buy only 500. Lada Fitri though 2vs2. It's a guild test, brother. How can I pick 2 players at a time? It's a guild test, okay? It's not a time for challenge. Okay, if you want to win, then okay, fine. You can go and tell the world that you defeat me. Okay, no problem. Uy! Oh! Look! Ngalaong ang boy, you feel by Reborn smooth. Ngalaong? I'll prove you wrong. OMG, like seriously. Okay guys, ﷺ like ban share baru. And I share here, like but subscribe. Just like, it's okay. You better not to subscribe. I don't want to reveal my ugly face. Just like, you don't need to subscribe, guys. Mᴏʀᴇ, show me your power, Mᴏʀᴇ. Piong ba pim dap rel ban lekai bat ki squad ini, then just show me your power. Show me your power. Show me your power. M10 power. Itu kilara ada kon spray gini gitu ngaruh lawai. Lekai no bat player MG squad ngan yalam nga. Suspect kain no fi. The reaction okay ta baru subhaya rap lang. I don't want to reveal my ugly face. But I have to subscribe. Just like, don't subscribe. Dapat balik ang tama kay. Come on, show me your power, man. Show me your power. Kawang mate pa Emerald. Oh, kawang mate mo boy. Ay boy, thank you mo. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm a devil. Just kidding. Hello Khasi, Dora one like I custom but nga. This what to say? This stream is what to say? It's only for guild test, not for challenge. If I want to challenge then to believe if one man to sngi nga I open challenge but anyone can play with me one tap. I give open challenge to all but they didn't come. Please sabakaray. Mo ba smooth sabakaray. AGF hello con Dora jay to Shupa dito player na. Wag dito kasi leuno kan.
First blood.
Po Kıyıᴏᴜᴜ penelakay de kini. Hi, hello Bakarshan. Attack like the stream. Kaday bong attack nga nga support you ba attack. I'm going now because you are wasting my time. Okay, you better go, brother. Thank you so much for 10 minutes of your time. You spent 10 minutes time of your life in my stream. Oh my god, how can I thank you, brother? I didn't even know how to thank you also. Oi, Mᴏʀᴜ YP and one say ni yek mo balayang pala. Hello, bite, hello, kado pagkam, welcome to my stream. Welcome. Hey, saya like mo, dakan mo one like. Like, na bit ko fong like. I think so I have to speak in. Hello, Kong Dora, please speak. Keren lang buat kasih buat English. Karshan shala, hello. Ladap ha, pro auto yang hilang.
First blood.
Ladap 10k subscriber. Ladap 10k subscriber. Uy, what is this? Mᴏʀᴜ ang dap na squad jungi. Uy, mᴏʀʜ. Ha persang shot to mᴏʀʜ banyak kariet em. Pilala penliam pilala bani ong mafim dap squad jungi. Don't ever mess with our squad. They are very pro player. Dora dan ban 1v1 but P1v1 masih berapa lat tengah lem nu kan. Keren lang bat maram ne Kဃᴅ kapan lang te ban keren maram kaya nga one sentence kaya nga si sentence si line kaktin maram. Mama like I start maro penlips. Okay, no problem. You stand here. I use lolly for
First blood.
Oh, sun round itu dah kan tu. Emerald lang zero. Patang dah smooth maray. Nice. Nice guys, nice. One challenge but square yung P, Nike square yung P kilok sa udong sa kadaum best lah. Bat ki triangle dan ki rectangle kan. Ni dah ki square at P, square yung P. Kumno P, but ki square yung P. How come? How can I challenge with your square? Dia telah kena 7-0. I think so. 1v6 your quad. Okay, come and join. No problem. You can play. You can handle 1v6. I'm fine with that, bro. Dora, join 1vs1 with you. I have 1vs1. But if you menurut Reban lek kai 1v2 gil mamba jonga. Tak ada gua 1v2. Sesni kan Kɣɪʟɪḻ 1vs2 yang lah ni. Idang lah si round. Mana Mana ba kuat di Shashim kan dia. You are the best. Ni Dīstina, you are the best. 1v2 telah dikena. Betul benda usim. Umlak dah. Benda kiaram dah gini le.
First blood.
Le 1v2 kini kiaram. Awam betul marwai. Kɣɪʟᴛ best ha. Thank you. Love you. Ini iba have Khasi tiot ni si samar ki ha. You know what? Balik Khasi pergi kem juga. Kelas dan hello. Kelas dan pro kelas dan. Tapi iba ki make kelas dan ni. Tak ada kata ka di kami. Oh, cute. Haba emerald. Oh yeah, haba emerald he. One emerald, you can do it. Naik Irish round room. Oh, 185. I think so. I saw 185. I love you too. I love you too. Pakem khadu. Come on, Mᴏʀᴇ. Iskin kan Rufi Matias plus ke yang master. Dia berkata yang master itai ba.
Double kill.
What is this? What am I seeing? Last lem ngalaong. Last lem day ba akfi ken. Pikiran tangki ketian fitip ni am ka ketian hi ga dei kowe. Ya ketian ka batiang ketian ka bakthang siong mo. Katra itu balik kai. Itu iwe ho tu maneli ai yakini tangka do tang sun round. Kumno pialong ya. We are fine. We are good. One vs 2, yes, only 1 vs 2. Play always. Ani sakray de kuwa. Ba have kan. Ha. What you like ya dorap?
First blood.
Koi like this trio. Light share and super great. Yes, light share and super great. You know guys, I never play spamming. I don't know how to play that. I play only but sometimes not most of the time I lost. I like yang asal duk men yang ala up yo balik film join tau team tu. Itu dari player barim ni aku belum buat itu ini smooth ni emerald ni makai. Kita online kot ini di baku no. Why you always in the mood? Hi Sunshine, welcome.
First blood.
They're spamming like anything down. Okay, don't ever mess with my players. They are very, very dangerous. Don't ever mess with them. Tiyan ang tama ni Wandering. Sorry, ba Mᴏʀᴇ. Sorry. Itu bayus blue keluar lah dan hani yang ambil isu blue keluar dah ngan air yang fi. Dah tim kod dah ali join biang start 1 2 3. Attack. Oh, ba attack. Cut stang way. Ini ba dark side sama ngan sa tim kod tu ba dark side halu. Ila left po gil ngan try. Tadang gila gil tas. Okay. Melare tu makai ila ada penlek mentai ila rem te lem nu. Tu saya wait kira ikam la te saurang da ila saurang ti la yorong kai ikam la te saurang.
Biang.
Kan ai.
Tim bana tim ni.
One. Ali ni. Sim tu tim kod. Join set manu ban yo join. Ki balik kai SMG gun naik on pro balik kai tang shotgun. Sorry mo kong dora first but kapay stream but kalek kai ki ulut ki team ni lai kan try tomorrow no problem. Naruto hello Naruto. Nyom long pai dah profile itu. Hello Naruto. Shna no. Balik kai 1vs1 ne 1vs2 ne 1vs3 1vs4 ne kom no. Apa fi om pi. Opponent na stream. Ba attack options Padai na mentang. Shine na po stream. Manu ita ba use voice changer. Itu ibat mat. 1v2. Okay, tapi kan let's not. Okay. 1v2 mat yami sai. Iong dang sna setting takadaw. Okay, I'm not sure. Tapi no iba dark side, but kum tu. Iba dark side kum tu. Ini pet skill mo kidon kadu upshot lihat but me no iba smooth but iba dark side. Mo best tadi. Nga ibas ha itu emerald balik kai. Ibas ha kan itu. Itu to bahai lala ata pan lem yang ay nga 007 08 na kan no nem to. 0. Ha. Okay. Ada shna am indala depo. Indala dep shna itu ngin selek kai di mesti na apa dia sis feel like kai FreeFire Empiro. Tapi lek tesis ngini ya yo ya shngan lang. Niya le ni sis ngay sakmo mesti na ide mano ini nga ngay itang mata kasi dia po stream ini. What are you doing brother? Ngan invite no smooth nang ta dark side ali. Dark side yang solo. Tom ban siang imlong ban up slam mo. Tengen hab ban invite. Invite no tu guy. Da ba attack. Ta. Spek nga darling. Spek nga darling puting. Oh my darling spek. No yang nga wood. Okay, go. Ta fila sauron fila day mo. Fila day yo bandrung. Imesti na di samla jung MG gaming okay. La join Aᴅᴅᴜᴜᴜ ru klam yo ba balem ta kadile ne ba ne ka yu ka stream. Kadile re ka stream. Ye tho hok da kadile. Da kadile ye tho hok bai da kadile ka stream. Same to add as moderator. I don't know if I'm scan review and remove search message. Okay. Go. Ani Naruto. Tangka kateng ru las ngukanya deh. So lang ni ha. NPCs ngam lekai. Oh, pilih kai da PUBG. Oh, best halai lek kai PUBG ngai shitpet lek ka stream itu i Chelsea shitpet ha stream itu. Ka stream itu video dengan shitpet i tang bang amnak lek sis lek kai PUBG men suara lek kai tengah lek i. Ba aku bikin kalau amnak lek ka stream pun.
First blood.
Lah kawan cek pedam. Ba aroning pipat dia film join guild ra mentas ni. Ni Mᴏʀᴇ gamer ni ru lek kai PUBG lek sis ni. Balai pim lek kai PUBG so tenat tenat tambangan tu pi. Nganu bahai kata-kata. Ngasu so tenat tu am balai kai tambaki ngata berki bau dan tu ada dan tu hidup so biar lek kai lang. Wah hana kan dia leh kan nu bah. Kasu Lýირᴅᴇᴏ ngaong nak lek kuno. Siapa rumah sen ni jorong kai tibat apun tu em. Kadang Lýირᴅᴇᴏ dalek terus siap sampai kadang lek kai tu ngasarai. Ngabes sebab pada yang kadang ngasu banget. Tu ID ST tu ID. Not now, after some time. Be patient. I don't know how to pronounce my name. My accent is very bad. Oh, Naruto movement is very cool. I went down that high. Okay, nice girl.
First blood.
Oh my god. Actually, kaya ba't ikan nga siya yung channel yung as a moderator. Nice. Lakay PUBG ba't nga dafila ban penlim yang ngan hikay. Kaya yang kay tesis na Mᴏʀᴇ game paling wapot ha. Stream na kayo use hack. Basu hack ba't na ini kat balakay ni Mᴏʀᴇ gamers ini basu hack ba't kat balakay. Ukun jong ngaru ulit kay PUBG. Best sementara ini reaction yang gameplay juga iba Naruto nampak bang sampai nyeduk menil ayo kan lu okay she's smart but it's not a problem. Oi Mᴏʀᴇ game ada hackar shisha that's just
First blood.
It's a very dangerous hacker of Mᴏʀᴇ. Attack ani lah suka wangi baik attack patedam how is that possible? Okay Naruto not a problem. Sama video pun yo apat round. Tina hai bahak. Okay telah des problem ju fisiar ngot ketang ngam la su bantu kelar namar ngam tonton idea pang PUBG. Ban hiar na po ayu leses dang jom na plane tu am bahar na po parachute ngam nang rele. Jang kumoi ngamut ban hiar hayeng ngakom hiar salum sama kia. Manu uta pro. Itu dia banan tu pro gitu. Baik movement his much bad. It's not bad. Why did you say that? Teach it. That is not that much bad. That is more level gitu ya.
First blood.
What my players also. Teng, ani tu bai nama balai fisu hack jam dei balai kai normal mo no mi tu leses. Habi tu bai ses yang hana code 1 vs1 ki na kai fisu leses kan itu. Kan balai kai 1v3 okay, pila balai kai 1v6 rubiang. You can play 1v6 also no problem. Tangkang yang makan kan kalai balai ngem laban mun terus sana. Kɣzīʟ ka trim kam dong am sutu kam clear ka stream jong fi kadena ka network ta kada thai sa film parat ka sound sudah keren. How is that possible? Damn ngala ai kat no. Oh mo ya tem Harley era sampai lihat kan komen. I think so. Bye. Okay, thank you boy. Thank you so very much.
First blood.
Ani ba nagtunong ta? She's pa prapau henyo damage. Okay, lelay ba Naruto? Lelay. Pelasih mentah deh kita kila nut banyak tunjuk buat legend. What do you mean? Kapten Jarhi mau buat biasa tu dah. Sister PM balai benda ngaku ban challenge buat Peter darling ni. Kuat challenge buat Peter darling aku belum tahu ya darling lagi mau ban challenge ha. Dapat darling. Challenge buat warrior kan. Darling tak I love gila. Welcome to live chat. Yeah, Pak M. Live chat. Dan shoot tabak. Parpolo biaya ba attack. Respect attack ni. Kalma di lahir buku. Kawan ba Naruto astangi mai I know you. Kita kaya kini kita macam ni mo. Marsen yang perlahan siang buat pi ngapro kan. Aku dah ni aja ni mai. Gila. Oh, đây lại bỏ corona anh mà sẽ play sun chieng lại kali sih bawa lalai lut lah play sun chieng. Tambah mabok classification pria anda itu lawai. How are you? Kado pakai dia fine. Kubilai. Dia attack li shalak tim penyam no se attack. Ai tu sikil shalak kai dia attack wala slide im pakut suan story. Pare side with the love peniap no fi.
First blood.
Basta ngan bakal kuat. Ini mesti nama ni aduh ini. Lah, Juni di kamera. Welcome to the stream. Welcome.
Double kill.
Oh, Ba Naruto. What is this? Menim syupawa pementala syugan san batro matram. Tapi lah tang sauraun lah yo ani sauraun kalabun palat ni. Mon vs tu today ben la sauraun mo sauraun ta pada bun vi. Ngapa? Too much ngata. Yang day ni ko no. I never do spam. Yes, I know Emerald is a legend one tap. Ketika corona ngapanya boleh comments. Tatala biang. Adi kisi yang kayu hitam tip ranga. Lala lihat tatala biang menilai. Hajuan pak kem dan nom kem ong. Tapi semua kem stay pak kem ke. Dari temlong. Mᴏʀᴇ game mau. Ni naik bot lah. Aku beri ulah nok ni pada naik. Sen ngeladap UM dalam komen itu ulah henia itu naik bot ulah welcome itu mentapat ngakam ayu UM ulah kapan ki ulah update ya OBS manakan dia ulah ajak tu naik bot buat saya ngap show legend ya expansion lah create mendira tu waktu dah ada kai room telah lock itu ayu ini mesti nama ni karya game mati ya di hakan di spam yang biang di spam di hakan lapar ke sini kan mon Naruto kirim montap balai dah dong kabala saya keluar lem saya urus ngau lajak teh tengok bak cirish Indo tapi tadi wajak Asia tibulah tim show dan syai ni dan bok hebon dang em wajak tapi ani ngam tim show wat syai ngam tim show itu apa sama kontak ngam show show ngam tim change number nang kuat bat kontak bat ngaru ngam tim udah kespen wajak teh udah nama orang keneng mat lem
First blood.
Udah shoot kami tu katahi dia sekali tim ni uang yang ngasih sin ya aku senduk pinnya P tesis video upload ikliya macaya tang ya utu mat x hi phim la nga isir mat x ta ngam job lagi player macaya how ni bat mat ngala ada mu i0 how ni smooth ngala ada mu i0 bat mat ni ta dang ya lek kai 1vs1 te ngatrai bat mat impat ya lek ya lek squad te ngatrai ngat 1vs1 te ngam julek te kum ta hakini gidus te ngala rem 0 nga bambai hakini gidus te Ciru baik ki ai. Shay uja ngam baca shay. Mon Naruto oj ai. Atau ini miskin nama komedi banget ini.
First blood.
Nampaknya lek kai 1vs1 pi batau mbak mat x tang yu change kerteng tang tip dari mat x kata kerteng ngam 4 US dollar lek kai 1vs1 balik kai 1vs1 ngadang daong ba like nak collaboration kan balik kai 1vs1 ngarep ko hybrid kan kita ngut ngadang rem ka 1vs1 te kamut la dafi ite fila bakla ngatarai entah kelabun bai kerteng dolar 1vs1 tengi kita ngarep ko stream kita ngut kadan ka stream tapi pa manik page dengan season fi ngarep mo po i-hybrid bar hay snap pa hybrid 1k deh come on Naruto ikan duit balik ni pak upli lah saja dia akan Mᴏʀᴇ legend weh lahir hangat tu baba ai nak main kat tu baik ya
First blood.
Oh no. Okay, not a problem. Lele dah bak Naruto. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, darling puting. Harley lek kai lang ya. Oh, aku test lang tay bak Harley no. Dia nang ta bak Naruto. Hello bak Naruto. Tom lilay raw yasnar palat mo to siya tom lasyo deh wala yasnar palat deh dan bakwa le kay pa join na stream mo ba Naruto pa enjoy na stream mo tang sa round dari ba i-job lapyang okay de ngay iki comments labun ki boong le sa idura
I'm the leader of the pack. I'm the leader of the pack. I'm the leader of the pack.
Po training kandiat kata Kim nang re ban lek kai ka squad Rufi. Kim nang re ban lek kai ka squad Rufi. Balik kilong kom no? Balik kilong kom no? Kilong kato ka. Ako ini. Kasi dora pedrunggil no iki ka pedrung tayo malala sa round. Tagi pun kita dora lek kai no mo feed up kandiat katangan lech minute mo. Da nang sina lupa no ngene lek 4vs4 sina no ka room manu ban sina sa IID password ingi kalau word sina no ka room ni lek kai 4vs4 la bun go ang dora ko ini lek kai smofi ngan haban lek kai hi paling ngam lek kai mara kidus la 4vs4 pakin dera 1vs4 I never play 1vs2 also Kalau isna no mana man sna ka room oh tang way mo tang way ban sna ka room ini la kai 4vs4 de ini pa kita kawan tap kita kill member ni itu bro ni ngam tip shoot kita keluar fi open keys pet ni kala ya woi itu balik cari coil haduk kan tu ayo body baju ni snano ada fila depth serong mo fila depth side team ko bati password gitu. Okay, I'm coming. Room ID pan. Room ID pan dia. Berada ani lah itu circle round. To I room ID juga. Baru password. Room ID umpau Revin haban I slash. Suppose udah room ID we alai sausan dunya pernah ada shwa pin haban I gam ni. Pin haban I gam tu. Chloe would pitul ami circle. Chloe would, you want to see my gameplay? Mᴏʀᴇ. RR sao. And password is Sᴏᴏ. Okay, one kan? An invite na yakin di legends dah. Ini smooth lah dan ka? How is that possible? Join gitu bayok ban join. Ki bayok ban join am lele. Join tu lah ai hang tu ban team code ban password. If you wanna join then you can join. Not a problem. Come this side, one more player. If you want to stay if you want to participate from my side also you can participate from my side. If you don't want then you can go to the opponent. Oh, lapur. There lapur. Okay, let's go. My stupid heart. Tabash na room no constant HP. Nothing. Hi. I didn't even know how to play this type of room, brother. Believe my constant HP if I you. Please don't kick. I will never kick you. Hi. Oi, kado. Oh, bot climb up. Lam la ai da ka yut ay la ai da room ID te ay. Ta. One tap na kum no. One tap na spamming. I don't know. To start no. We don't have all night. We have to start no. Oh. STR start no. Ani natin ang tip stop rebanya spray mo daling. Finally guys, kat no like lapoy. Das akut sa Andrew Puar na duman niya. Andrew Puar sa akut sa ka like. The most of them, they want to see my gameplay and I am very very big bot. Oh, how can I? Tunog na room mo patnang. He didn't even know how to create room, yaar. What is this? Broken. Attack. Dark side. Dia let ko no. Boleh siya na room mo nila.
Atu video yang ni yang awak smooth. Open and stream.
Ayah video smooth. Smooth dan siya no. Lano kini pengi spray ba yung ani ki og spray ba cha ta daw ngam dak tip sa bre apet to kaping nga kadili 2 VM.
Namen. Ayon ray sangat nanggon.
Kali ngam nang siat na. Kali ngara da ni USB. Da USB ngara. No. Up.
Gila.
Ship ay daw tu kan. Apalagi mo attack 1 2 3.
Right.
Lại dạ thì ngày cùng mar cái cùng lại cái layo sih sepakatan layo pakatiat kemana tag pediam ini layo sih sepakatan layo itu
First blood.
Layo siap yang 500 Asyah ini yang ni ya ngamdai dah itu lah wai wait apa sih oh shit ngasalat marway cisya
Double kill.
yo M500 tuh guys mano para M500 layo sih pasan ko li dito para na white rudan le ura M500 tangan la siya ida USB why laba clash na room ito bro yung shine din dapat ay kum ni day. Oh my god, what is this?
Yaguna.
Oh, ani which lah. Layaw. What do you are 500 tak you are. Kaya siya zone attack.
Okay, run with it.
Okay. Ngam you
Pencet kiri
are.
Azul kan dia dah.
Oh, sure. You are tay. Layo.
Ayartin. Ayartin.
Kawan hair je tuan.
Lapon na kaway.
Nice. Oh my god. Nice. So aim mo daling bakal na flash na. Okay, it's okay. No problem.
Lamnag ka gun. Second round bata ka ito. Ajon.
Ya but lah ngali gatit helmet on tip shoe on your M500 ni yang.
Radunil.
Gahap rak dah kat dia. Nyoki
Mak M500. Mak M500.
ngam yo
Mak M500.
helmet yo tang level.
Helmet doang.
Pada dia start ekal lah knockdown dah untuk armor dunia dan dia start ekal ini. Oh lah why? Tu siapa lah yo kit kon matias ya yo job ni.
Oh, pasan fly.
Pula aku
You super buat.
HP part. Alah kawang keluar tu.
Oh, lagi Yumpi.
Tu lah yo
First
HP dia.
blood.
Tang kitim job tadi yo. Ni patarem yo shay kan.
Come on, Don.
Season ko na yo.
Dark side. Meron to 500.
Season na yung 500 kilo.
Try dark side. Try. Pecak.
Oh, komandan.
Nice,
Oh,
Don.
you're the best.
Nice,
Udah lah down no part.
Don. London.
Ngom tang ada pan lek kain ni tu tahu lah RM10. Nanti kena akut banyi dan ye.
Nah, pegang itu dark side. Finish lah. Finish.
Tai. Finish side.
Nah, yang itu.
Oh my god, nice. Dan ganda te lek kain tu sampai kia. Please share lem ka stream ሶഭാᴏᴜᴜ pan poi pra polite. Apa ya no light ngayu itang tu pau dengar. Take it.
Tinggal. Mungkin dia lah dunia tu kalanya takut hangat tua.
Layo M10. Attack. Layo M10. M10 ngali udang kelung M10 ngadang kelung. Ali. Yang persyawatan tap mo ya yo ni ngali mungkin kan Kɣzīʟᴜ tu kalung tu. But they want to see my game. What should I do?
Lawan kita.
Mᴏʀᴜᴜ. I am very big noob. Delay apa? Tu. Itu irak dah kon ni tu. Irak dah kon ni.
Kingfisher.
First blood.
Daira kat tu flip.
Adanya tu.
Layo headshot tang.
Nice.
Oh layap. Ani yo orang lagi fisher. Ni sini guys. Home Daira. Tidus lebih. You attack.
Double kill.
Sino tahu Oh, nice. Very dangerous. 90 like completed. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.
Enlight. Thanks for light. Ada.
Light alam balik lagi. Kamu yo light. Alam balik sekali.
Sana aduh, kadar begitu mah.
Dikena.
Juta ayo-openan na yuna po stream.
Next mo mentang ila don prates tang arbut ngidan Kɣzīʟᴜ member itu gibang kat nak stream Kɣīʟᴜᴜᴜ pathar pe te karai kin pa ada lewat like sure nak tu ya kthong tang ya ngai nang nu brara sei gitu
Itulah yang nyamnya tengah ni.
Nala ayo headshot tang miap.
Tengah.
Ayo rat tang miap.
Oh, imut.
First blood.
Let's go. Nice. Itu je. Good job, Patu.
Uy. Lasaway ko
Nice.
kata-kata. Yeah.
Finish na that fight, bro. Finish na that fight.